In this tutorial, I will be reviewing Qustodio versus Bark. So let's get started. So if you're choosing between Qustodio and Bark, you're probably wondering which one actually protects my child better. Both help parents monitor their kids' digital activity, but they work very differently. So let's break it down into similarities and key differences. So by the end, you will know which one fits your situation. Okay. So let's start with the similarities. And the first one that we have is activity monitoring. Both Qustodio and Bark let you see what your child is doing online. They track web activity, app usage, and provide reports inside a parent dashboard. So with either option, you're not completely in the dark. You get visibility, which is the foundation of digital parenting tools, right? The next one we have is alerts and reports. Both platforms send alerts and give you access to activity summaries. So Qustodio focuses more on usage data, screen time, blocked sites, and app history, and Bark focuses more on content alerts, warning you about bullying, explicit content, or risky conversations. So both inform you, but just in different ways. And lastly, we have multi-device support. So both work on Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. That means no matter what device your child uses, you're covered. Neither one locks you into a single ecosystem. Now let's get into the differences, and the first one that we have is control versus monitoring. Now this is the biggest difference. Qustodio is about control. You can block apps, set screen time limits, filter websites, and track location. But Bark is about AI monitoring. It scans texts, emails, and social media and only alerts you if something concerning appears. So if you want strict limits, then Qustodio is stronger, and if you want awareness without heavy restrictions, then Bark feels less invasive. Next, we have social media depth. So Bark clearly leads in social media monitoring. It scans platforms like Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and more, including private messages when supported. So Qustodio offers some monitoring, but it's more limited and focuses more on overall device control. So if social media safety is your top concern, Bark has the edge over this on this. Lastly, we have screen time tools. So Qustodio is stronger for managing screen addiction. You get daily limits, app blocking, detailed usage breakdowns, location tracking. Bark doesn't specialize in strict time control. It's more about detecting problems than limiting usage. So what's the final verdict? Well, here's the simple way to choose. If your child is younger and needs structure, limits, and blocked access, Qustodio is usually the better fit. But if your child is older and active on social media and your main concern is online dangers like bullying or predators, then Bark is likely the smarter option. So it's not about which one is better overall, it's about whether you want to control access or monitor behavior. That's what should decide whether you choose Qustodio or Bark. So that'll be it for today. I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.